Turn any ordinary photo into a colorful watercolor splash. There's no fancy software needed, just Canva. Now let's get started. So guys, once you log into your Canva account, you're going to go to the bottom, create a blank video. Once that's pulled up, we're going to go to elements on our left side and type in a person jumping. We're going to click on photos. We're going to find something that we like. Okay. So I'm going to choose this right here. I'm going to go to the top, make sure the background is removed. Okay. Then I'm going to click my X and I'm going to type in watercolor splash. All right. I'm going to click on this one right here. All right. And then I'm going to make this smaller and put it over her. Okay. Bring her down some. All right. Make sure it's centered. Okay. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to layers. I'm going to layer, showing layers. Okay. And I'm going to bring her up. Okay, guys, next thing you want to do is right click and send it back. And then we're going to go back to elements. And we're going to type in watercolor splash again. Graphics. And we're going to come down here and use this one right here. Okay, guys, so we're going to right click again. And we're going to show in layers. And I'm going to bring the girl up. And this up too. I'm going to bring it down some. Bring this down some. Bring her down some. Okay, guys, we're going to add our next one over here. I'm going to bring it back. Layer it to the back. And I'm going to center her. Make sure she's centered. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to make sure it shows in layers. All right. Bring this up one. Okay. And I'm going to drag this over some. Okay, so once that's done, you're going to go to edit at the top. And you're going to go down to shadows. And you're going to click drop. Okay, guys, then the next thing we want to do is we're going to change the color of this, the background, to like a soft gray. So you can see it better. Okay, guys, so once that's done, I am going to group this because I'm trying to center it. Okay, so guys, once that's done, we're going to go to the corner. We're going to download it as a PNG. And we're going to make sure it has a transparent background. Click download. That'll take a few seconds. And then we're going to drag it over here to our left. All right. And then we're going to add a page, guys. And we're going to click on upload. And then we're going to go to elements and type blue picture border. We're going to click on graphics. I'm going to use this one right here. Okay, guys, and then we're going to delete page 1. Okay, and we're going to download this as a PNG as before with transparent background. And so, guys, this looks pretty good to me. Now that you know how to make a water splash art in Canva, go ahead and experiment with these colors and effects. Guys, if you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.